Welcome back to our channel, friends. This is Sonia here from Growing Craft, and this is the part 2 series of making our scrapbook. Now in the part 1, as you have already seen, that we have made the album base with the pockets and the flaps, and now in this part 2 we are going to decorate the cover. Now here in this project we are going to play around with beautiful 3D work with a very easy and simple techniques. So let's get started. Now this is a pattern paper from the same paper pack, and I am going to fussy cut one of the designs from this. Now this fussy cutting work is different. Why? Because we are going to make sure that we trim down this really well and the back paper should not get damaged at all. The only reason why I am doing this fussy cutting work so intricately is because we are going to use both the papers. Yes, you heard me right. We are going to use both the papers for our 3D work on the scrapbook album cover.
À deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Le bonheur est passé à deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer.
Now once we are done with our fussy cutting work, then what I am going to do is I am going to first stick the base paper on the top of my scrapbook album. Now for sticking this, either you can have your tacky tape or you can have your liquid adhesive. Now here I wanted to just make sure that I have some time to just shift my paper here and there in case if there is any change. So that's the reason I'm using my liquid adhesive, but using your tacky tape is also perfectly fine. Whenever you are sticking your intricate designs, make sure that you apply your adhesive really well on all the cuts and corners and edges, because that is going to make sure that it sticks well and it lasts longer. Now here I have applied my liquid adhesive and I am spreading this with my fingers, and I am going to make sure that I have spread this really well on all the corners and the cutout points. Now I will be sticking this on my album, and once I stick this, then I'm going to make sure that I press this really well. Now these are few of the very thick cardboard pieces which I have, and I'm going to stick these on the back side of my cutout. Now either you can use your foam tapes or you can use your cardboard pieces. The choice is completely yours, and yes, it's absolutely fine with whichever you are comfortable. You can use that. The baseline is you need to create a nice 3D effect to the cutout pieces so that it looks like a popped out piece from the album cover. Now I will be cutting this complete board pieces into very small tiny pieces so that I can stick these on my all the corners and the knickknacks of my cutting.
À deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Le bonheur est passé à deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer.
Adding generous amount of liquid adhesive on the top of your foam tape or your cardboard pieces, whatever you have used for the 3D effect is really important. Make sure you apply generous amount of adhesive. Now here I am sticking this and it's looking absolutely gorgeous right now, but we have to add so many elements right now. So I have done with the sticking work and I'm going to make sure that I press this really well. It takes a few minutes of time to dry out completely, but then it looks absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. Make sure you press them really well so that it sticks well, and this looks gorgeous already. Now we need to move on to the next element. Now in this album cover, whatever I have used is from the same paper pack. If you want to add something extra element outside the box or outside your paper pack decorations, you can absolutely do that. But here in this one, I wanted to show you that how with just one paper pack you can do the complete decoration work too. So I have cut out these nice borders and I am just going to stick one on the top of the other, and I am using my board pieces beneath that so that it gives a nice 3D effect to it. So as you can see here in the screen that how nice it looks, and I'm going to add my sentiments from the same paper pack. Now for the complete process here I am using my liquid adhesive, but like I said, if you want to use your tacky tapes, it's absolutely fine. The choice is yours. The end moment where you feel that no, that tacky tape using might be a little difficult, you can always switch on to your liquid adhesives. It's absolutely fine. Now here I have taken up a cotton thread and I'm going to cut smaller pieces. Now this looks really complicated, but this is super easy. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick all my fussy cuts, the teeny mini fussy cuts, and make a nice hanging like a mobile hanger on my album cover. So what I'm going to do is I will add my liquid adhesive on the base, and I'm going to have my cutouts beneath that, and I'm going to hang these with the help of my cotton threads as shown in this video. Right now I'm arranging everything and seeing that how it is going to be, and once I'm happy with that, then we will start with the sticking work.
À deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'enfer, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Le bonheur est passé à deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'enfer, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer.
Now it's time to add some 3D dimensions to this also. Yes, of course, we need to add so much of 3D dimensions to our album cover so that it looks beautiful and it looks gorgeous. Now here I have again taken the same cardboard pieces and I've cut it into smaller pieces, and I'm going to make sure that I cover my complete border with this. Now whenever you are using your 3D effects on your scrapbook covers, make sure you cover the maximum areas with your 3D foam tapes or with your cardboard pieces so that it does not bend over the time. This was a quick tip for today. Now once I am happy with my cardboard pieces sticking work, then I'm going to apply generous amount of liquid adhesive and then stick it. So here I was about to stick my mobile hanging, but then I realized I should add some more elements here and there. So again I'm doing my fussy cutting work, and I'm just showing this in a very quick duration because This is something which you have already seen at the starting of the video, and yes, doing the fussy cutting work looks really difficult, but it's absolutely easy and fine, and this is so interesting to do. So with the fussy cutting work, you can even try out with your printouts or your stickers or any of your cuttings, and they look really nice and they complement your project so well when you add them with the 3D elements. Now here I am using the same technique. I will be using my cardboard pieces on all the fussy cut, and I will make sure that I stick this generously on my cover album with my liquid adhesive. Be generous whenever you are adding your adhesive. This is going to make sure that it lasts longer, and this is one of the very important step. So yes, I'm sure you are going to do that. Now I'm just managing my layout as per my choice. You can do any kind of changes you want, but do make sure that you apply generous amount of adhesive and have a good nice 3D effect to your project.
À deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Le bonheur est passé à deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer.
Now before sticking my mobile hanger, I just felt that I should add some glitter to it. So on the back side where we have the adhesive already, I am going to have my white glitter. So in case this, if it turns out to be on the other side, if it flips around, it's going to look glittery and shimmery and looks beautiful. So they look already so shiny and beautiful, and I'm happy with that. And now it's time to stick this to my cover. A generous amount of liquid adhesive and we are so good to go to stick this. This looks so beautiful and so gorgeous already. So yes, this is how my album cover looks, and it looks beautiful and gorgeous, and these teeny mini hangings are one of my favorite album covers what I've done till now. So I really hope that you all enjoyed this video tutorial. If you guys have any query, you can comment in the any of my video section. I will be more than happy to help you all. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and yes, we are coming up with few more series on scrapbooks, so do watch that. Thank you so much again. Take care. Bye bye.